In 2009, this was HP's flagship workstation. It's a Z800 with sleek brushed aluminum side panels, a pre-wired chassis that made assembly almost 100% toolless, and the only tool you would need for upgrading the CPU is you would need a Torx screwdriver to remove the heatsink. Pretty cool. However, mine lacks the looks that this beautiful chassis used to get, but for only $100 with 8GB of RAM, I'm willing to clean it up and do a few upgrades. Follow along if you want to. And by the way, this is modstek. I already knew that Socket 1366 6-core CPUs are cheap, but how about running 2 in this workstation I haven't even powered up yet? 850 watt power supply seems to be enough to handle them. I guess I could just clean it up and wait on eBay shipment. Before I clean it up real good, I'm just going to skid it down, see what I'm working with, and go from there, and hopefully I get it going. This power supply is off the hook cool. Pulls right out. You can swap it out with another one if you wanted to. Man, this is neat. But listen to that sound. It sounds like some of them fan bearings aren't too good. Oh well, we'll see if we can oil them down and get them a little bit quieter anyways, but it seems to work, so that's a plus. And here's the only tool that you really need for this old HP, but you could have the motherboard along with all the fans and all the drives out in about 10 minutes without any tool whatsoever. And interesting enough, the design wasn't toolless for the consumer in mind. Although it makes for upgrades quicker, it was designed to keep the production moving along faster and easier. It was gonna be done coming on. Let's get about that dust and let's get it going. Okay, let's recap. My HP came with a single quad-core CPU I replaced with 2 times X56756 6-core 12-thread CPUs that are 95 watts apiece. I added 4 more gigs of DDR3 1333 and an MSI GTX 780 Lightning graphics card, which is an additional 250 watt active power draw. Jeez. I hope this works out. And after a lot of power cycling, it finally did. Power cycling is unplugging the power cord from the power supply and holding the power button for a few seconds on the PC, and then pushing the power button again when plugged back up. and hoping it boots. Lo and behold, it sure does. It has 12 cores and 24 threads. Before I get to the performance, it took a lot of cleaning and some light sanding just to paint a few cosmetic items. I added a 120mm GM RGB fan up front mainly for looks. I had to get SATA adapters to get the dual 8-pin graphics card to work. Although it has two 6-pin for PCIe, it seemed to be too much on the power draw.
Now that all cylinders are up and firing, let's check it out, shall we?
I know, it feels like you have to rob the bank to build a new PC this year, but hey, I rebuilt this old HP Z800 for around $200, and it's working out okay, so long for now, and make sure you check me out in the next one. Bye.